I might take the floorboards out.
Yeah,
that's probably the way to go.
when you look at how they did the top eight.
Nothing rough, isn't it?
No, what else? Yeah.
Chop the knob off it. They had a nice knob on the same as that, and they chopped the knob off.
So which one's four-wheel drive?
This is four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive in, four-wheel drive out.
Yeah.
And the other one is low reduction. I think you've got to have it in neutral or something, and fourth road gear or fifth road gear, I can't remember now. The inside one is, that's in high range, pull it back, it's in low range. I think it might have a neutral, I can't remember.
Yep.
And that is four-wheel drive in, out, it's in two-wheel drive now. Push it forward and it's in four-wheel drive.
Okay, so what's the best way to take it out of, or put it into four-wheel drive and take it out?
Stop it, put it the clutch, depress the clutch and push the lever forward.
Okay. Easy as that.
We're just doing a little bit of a video here of how this dirty this tank is. It looks like something coming out the inside of a cow. Like performing liposuction with this. Looks like it's something you'd see on an endoscope, somebody doing a colonoscopy.